bodies thrown overboard. Ancestors scorned, headed to foreign shores they've never seen before. Inside they waging war, sold as cattle, the strongest subdued in battle. Buck breaking, birds singing, black bodies swinging. Death in the air, in the midst of despair. Prophesied several times over. The cold shoulder, the creator standing over, watching our punishment, straight banishment. Sit down if you can't stand it, or keep moving. Slaves escaping the inevitable, capture, brainwashing, and death. Only the true are surrendered early to death. After brainwash, never submit. Slaves overtake your captors and fight back. Take your kids, hide your wife, keep running for your life. Never give up. When it's time, the ghost to take you in flight. Take you away to your ancestors. They've been praying for you and waiting for you. Now they see you face to face, but it ain't time for your soul to shine. You gotta come back, be reborn through your seed. Future generations in need. For soldiers, warriors, prophets are a must. Fast forward 400 years, 400 tears shed down your mama's cheek. Her son's coughing and sleek, murdered by his own kin. Cain and Abel born again. One body in the streets, more left in the fields. Hate concealed, pistols revealed. Blood stains the streets and the field. Destined for death, destined for murder. Raped my sisters and murdered my brothers. Misled by another, strayed from the commands on which we need to understand. Praying for peace, need release. Remove these cuffs and chains, it's the first layer of our pain. 400 years has gone by as the spirits ascend high to the throne of the Most High. Sees the world as our time goes by. In the blink of an eye, he sees all eternity just simply fly by. We forgot the power of prayer. We gave power to the slayer, power to the dollar. That's what got us here. Sold for cheap, cheap is who we are, cheap is who we be. Until we're free, we gave power to idols. Man and gold, wood and stone. Without Yah's breath, all bodies just stay cold. Speaking death to life, power of prayer. We gave power to our slayers, unraveling truth in several layers. Holla back 400 years later. Power to prayer. Power to prayer. There's so much power